Today I will show you how to completely uninstall Node.js from your Windows PC. Let's get started. First, click on taskbar and search in the search menu, control panel, and click on here. Then programs, uninstall a programs, and scrolling and searching here Node.js. Now click on here, right click and uninstall. Then are you sure you want to uninstall Node.js? Then click on here, yes. After complete removing, you will see the list here. There is no Node.js file. Okay. After restart, the Node.js is completely uninstalled. Thanks a lot.